Guys, before we get into the video, just to let you know, stick till the end to see a montage of Ozzy. Okay guys, so right here I have Fitz. He looks a lot like Libby, except it's a boy. Yeah, please excuse my messy room, but Fitz here first. So here we have Fitz. He got some, he's got a cold. You see him like that, it's fine. He's always like, has like a cold. And then here's Zelda. Come here, Zelda. She likes to purr a lot. You might hear her, she likes to meow a lot too. And she loves being pet. Watch this. Hey, in the camera. I think she's confused when she can see herself. Oh, I love you, kitty. So it's Zelda. Fitz. He's kind of a scaredy cat. He likes to run and hide. And honestly, he's kind of scared of everyone until he gets pet or something. And yeah, let's get to Ozzy. Okay, so we're in luck. Come outside and hey, Ozzy. So I don't know if you've seen him. This is Ozzy. If you have seen him, it was when he was really small. Yeah, he ran away for a month when it was like there was a bunch of thunderstorms and everything. And so he ran away. We found him after a month. And he's a chubby kitty. Look at that chubby kitty. He's kind of like a dog. So I'll show you in a little bit what he likes being do, like what he likes. All right. So one thing he kind of likes is being pet right here by the tail and being pet on the belly. He loves this. Look at that face. Look at me. Look at that face. So cute. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch this on camera though. But one thing he really does love is if you get like a squirt bottle, like a sports squirt bottle, and you squirt water on the floor, he'll chase it. So I'm gonna go grab my water bottle and show you. Here's Ozzy. I think he sees the water bottle. He likes it. Look, every single time you show him one, he'll start licking it. So let's just change it to squirt mode, like that. And Ozzy. Look at that. You see, because I'm not chasing, he doesn't like to get wet. He just likes chasing the stream. He's a weird cat. I don't know. He kind of acts like a dog, and he loves water while chasing it. See? So he's so strange. Honestly, I don't understand him too much. It's so cold outside. I don't know why I'm filming this without a jacket on. And so yeah, that's what Ozzy likes. I think this is going to be the end of the video. Oh, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. If we get this to 10 likes, I will do some more videos of my cats. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this, like and subscribe once again. Yeah, that's all I have to say. See you guys next time. Bye.